Okay, I think we might actually play that again for you all because I don't think that played out completely. And also, I think, well, like I said, we're all getting used to this new medium where remote control, some of the audio might not happen. You can actually hear me right now, but no stress. What we'll do is, I've got the whole cast with me, and this is where I say, open the curtains out. So, as I say, welcome to today's webinar. Kunal, Chunky Sir, Asha, Raghav, Indranil, who's actually the first one to actually join in. I'd request you all to start your videos, and I'd request you all to also start your audios. I'm going to be expecting, of course, my very old friend Ram Kapoor, and of course, the captain of the ship, Ken Ghosh, also will be joining us soon. But yeah. Hello, Kunal, Kemster, brother. How you doing? Chunky sir, how you doing?
All well, brother.
Asha, one by one, they're all opening up. So good to see. And the
Namaste,
best.
namaste. Hello.
Indranil, the first one to actually join in. And so, first up, straight up, Asha, you win hands down with the best decoration in the background, best lighting in the background.
Yes.
It is number one.
Thank you.
Well done.
आओ मेरी
Congratulations.
आगोश में आशा का पूरा डेकोरेशन ऐसा है आओ मेरे आगोश में पूरा
नहीं मैंने बस लाइट्स जलाई हुई है
We do a lot of this. But first,
Thanks,
we will actually start. Before I come to you, Kunal, I know it's all about you, but there is a gentleman whose avatar I'm so excited about, and I have not seen you in this avatar, sir. Chunky sir, we're going to talk to you first. How are you doing, sir? All good?
I'm good. I'm also eagerly waiting to see this avatar of mine, which I've enjoyed so much. Yeah, I've actually now got worried that I enjoyed killing people and eating them so much that there may be a fate in me somewhere.
Yours is actually the big Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde kind of character. Jahan din mein kuch aur, raat mein kuch aur. And you know, even the very detailing of the hair and all that, you know, I think character ka jo bhi, the look hota hai, it's very based on exactly what you're going to play. And a lot of that is not just what the director is saying. I know he's very accomplished and he's very particular about that, Ken Ghosh. But a lot of things that you do yourself also. So, you know, your own contribution to this, just to look the part and to look timid and look meek. Let's hear about that.
Yeah, I think, playing these negative characters, the first thing I need to always lose is Chunky Pandey. I just have to lose him completely. I have to forget him. I have to throw him in the dustbin somewhere far away in the sea sometimes. Because the audience cannot connect with Chunky Pandey. This has to be that character because he's going to be negative. And normally people associate me with comedy and laughter.
Yeah.
So started with the look first, and this look came from an inspiration of an old school teacher of mine.
Acha.
Yeah, he was
a murderer.
Sweet.
Wo bhi murderer
No,
I
thought he was a murderer. So he was very sweet. He was very meek, nice, very mellow, but he had a very hot, solid temper, hot-tempered guy. And in those days, it was normal to whack kids with rulers and canes and other things in school. So he used to fly off the lid completely. And I used to always wonder, maybe this guy goes home and murders kids also. So he always stayed in my mind. So I kind of got that hunch from him, the glasses, the hairstyle, and, the walk with the limp, which I've used in the show. So yeah, he kind of inspired me for this character.
I'm loving this. Method acting is giving this. Actually, OTT platforms have given every actor sort of a new chance to reinvent themselves. And somebody who's going through some great reinventions in his life is Kunal Khemo. Kunal, brother, congratulations. And
thank you.
Very difficult to get a season 1 only. And here you have season 2. So good luck with that. Well done. Well done.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
So I know that you're very relaxed about most things. Things have happened in your life. Years back when we saw you as a baby in the big screen, and then you became a very muscular baby in the big screen as well. But here, this very dark character, one wouldn't associate you with very dark, cinema or, series, but you're sort of reveling in that mode. So this is awesome.
Yeah, I think that was the most attractive and the interesting thing about this show, and also the character of Abhay. And also, honestly, I didn't even know anybody saw me as a cop. And I wasn't sure how it's going to work out, and to kind of play Abhay Pratap Singh, the STF officer. But I had to kind of take that leap of faith, and I was very nervous being on set and kind of playing this character that's so different to who I am and the characters that I've played in the past. But I think that's what made it so much more challenging and appealing. And I'm very happy that today we're sitting with a successful season 1. and hopefully successful season 2 that's in the making, that's going to be presented to everybody tomorrow. So yeah, interesting times, man.
Actually, let me just tell everybody who's watching, we're actually releasing 3 episodes tomorrow, and then the rest of the series comes out in September. So that's an interesting new thing, which is why we're doing so much today. But you know, Kunal, you're the only person with the best body I know of who's always covered up from head to toe. What is with you and always covering? And it's like you're just storing up for who?
I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
Because of Abhay, we're shooting currently, right? This is the first time that I'm in Bombay where I'm living in a hotel. And I can't figure out the thermostat in this room. It's always so cold. And I'm actually feeling cold. So I called for these, like, generally I would be in a t-shirt right now, but I was feeling cold. So that's why. And also I have to say that, you know, we're dropping these 3 episodes. And it's honestly for the love of the show, and like all of us believe in the show so much that we've actually started shooting again. We were the very first ones to kind of get back to set and get rolling, but a lot had to be kind of changed within the show also, because this show had, I mean, hopefully in season 3 we'll do it, but it had such big sequences that were planned, such action sequences, chases in crowded markets and all of that. But you know, because of the situation that we're in, that's now impossible to do. So some changes had to be made, keeping in mind that we don't lose the essence and the drama that we're trying to create.
Yeah.
But the scale had to be controlled quite a lot, because unfortunately we don't have the leisure of writing in COVID-19 into the show. So we're doing the best with what we can.
No, I think it's still working, man. As long as the look works with it. And someone's look who I'm really shocked with, Raghav, brother. Yeah, this is I think the most important phase as an actor for you. Yeah, तुम्हें हर चीज, you know, you managed to win everything over. हम लोग recently भी मिले थे. Recently, I say 6 months भूल जाओ life में. Obviously, before that we met a little before that. But I'm really liking this. You know, you're carefully एक रोल बन जाता है या फिर कैरेक्टर बन जाता है हर किसी के सामने, that you know मैं इसी अवतार में दिख सकता हूँ, लेकिन वो नहीं दिखाना. This is I think very conscious attempt also by you, which is brilliant. और जहाँ तक कि मैंने सुना भी है, I haven't got a chance to see you yet, but of course जहाँ तक मैंने सुना है, you've really killed it. तो
नहीं, अभी तो मेरे देखो, मेरा क्या हुआ, मेरी जैसी शूट शुरू होने वाली थी वैसे ही हो गया लॉकडाउन. है तो मैंने कहा अरे यार, इतना मुश्किल से मैंने प्रिपेयर किया. जो भी मेरे साथ इतने दिग्गज एक्टर्स हैं, सब मेरे सीनियर हैं यहाँ पर, और मेरे को बहुत सीखने को मिलेगा. बट व्हाटएवर आई प्रिपेयर्ड बाय माय सेल्फ, वो सब क्या, उसके बाद खाप लॉकडाउन. मैं सीधा भगा अपने अप्रवासी घर लौटे, देहरादून, उत्तराखंड. मैंने कहा भाई इधर से भागो. उसके बाद फिर वहां गए, फिर वापस आया, तो तब तक अभी सारा काम हो रहा है अगेन. मैं फिर उसमें आ रहा हूँ रोल में. तो यस, मेरे लिए भी बहुत चैलेंजिंग है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी क्या बोलते हैं उसमें लेयर्स हैं उस कैरेक्टर में, और बहुत कुछ ऐसी चीज है जो मैं अपनी मेरे को क्या इमोशन, मतलब मैं क्या चीज ट्रिगर करेगी मेरे को, जो समर को एज अ कैरेक्टर ट्रिगर करता है, जो मेरे को ट्रिगर करेगा मेरी लाइफ में. मेरे साथ क्या हुआ ऐसा, जो यू नो बहुत ट्रॉमेटाइज्ड कैरेक्टर है बचपन का. उसका बचपन बहुत ट्रॉमेटाइज्ड है, और वो अभी पास्ट में भी दिखता है, मतलब उसके प्रेजेंट में भी दिखता है, और हर जगह वो दिखता है. तो वो मैं कैसे ट्रिगर करूंगा? मैं तो ऑब्वियसली, जैसे तुमने बोला, इमेज मेरी बनी है बिल्कुल भाई, मस्का आदमी है एकदम, इधर उधर जहां पर भी है. लेकिन अभी वो चेंज ऑब्वियसली कैरेक्टर में करनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि वो मेरा कर्म है, वो काम है मेरा. सो यस, कोशिश कर रहा हूँ दोबारा. बस भगवान करे दोबारा कुछ ना हो जाए. अभी टांग भी टूटी हुई है, जल्दी से हील होके आई स्टार्ट शूटिंग अगेन. और लुक मेरा बड़ा धांसू है भाई, मैंने अपने आप को कभी नहीं देखा ऐसे.
आई एम एंजॉयिंग द फैक्ट दैट तुम्हारे जो भाषा है ना, वो कैसे चेंज हुई होगी. इसको आई रियली वांट टू सी दिस, बिकॉज ये सबसे बड़ी मुश्किल हो जाती है. बॉडी लैंग्वेज और जो लैंग्वेज होती है ना, वो चेंज करना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, बिकॉज कई बार वो आपके जहन में बैठ जाता है और वो एक हैबिट बन जाती है. सो विल कम टू दैट आल्सो. बट द जेंटलमैन हु जॉइंड अस वेरी फर्स्ट, ऑलवेज द मोस्ट पंक्चुअल, इंद्रनील ब्रदर, हाउ यू डूइंग?
आई एम डूइंग गुड सलील, थैंक यू सो मच.
यार मुझे पता है बचपन में ना, आई वुड लाइक टू टेल ऑल आवर व्यूअर्स दैट हैव जॉइंड इन ऑन YouTube, Facebook, जब इंद्रनील एक अभी बहुत बड़े एक्टर है, जब टेलीविजन में बड़ा एक्टर था, उसके जॉ लाइन के पीछे दुनिया पागल थी. हम लोग सब ऐसे चुनते रहते थे.
जॉ लाइन मतलब चेस्ट लाइन, एब्स, एवरीथिंग.
एब्स, जॉ लाइन.
भाई जब फर्स्ट टाइम आए, मैंने सोचा अपना बर्थडे केक भाई से कटवाऊं. भयंकर, मैं फैन था उनका. वो बता,
देख सकते हो कि मैं
कैसे रहते हूं ऐसे.
मैं 10, 12, 15 साल से जानता हूँ. किसी का और का जॉ लाइन दिख नहीं रहा है, कुणाल का तो है, लेकिन इंद्रनील brother, congratulations on that. You maintained it forever. Chunky sir is also looking at his jawline and it's working. We can see it, sir. We can see it.
दाढ़ी है, पता नहीं चल.
So before you,
कुणाल भाई का भी भयंकर है, वो हमेशा दाढ़ी से छुपा के रखते हैं, लेकिन मैंने बहुत बार क्लोज एनकाउंटर किया है कुणाल भाई से, तो मेरे को पता लगता है ऐसे रास्ता गुजर रहा है कल अलग ही।
इंद्रनील यार, पहले बिफोर योर कैरेक्टर तुम्हारी फिटनेस का राज क्या है जिंदगी भर का यार? मतलब ये दुनिया जानना चाहती है, बिकॉज अब इट्स नॉट जस्ट 8 आवर्स जो सिर्फ आपका कैरेक्टर डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। मतलब ऐसा क्या है, वो जड़ी बूटी क्या है दैट यू आर कैरिंग? मतलब वो जानना चाहते हैं सब लोग
यार you know, my fitness would have been something to talk about आज से 10 साल पहले। आज के जमाने में तो सब बड़े फिट हैं यार। ऑल द गाइज एंड गर्ल्स आर एक्सट्रीमली फिट एंड आई समटाइम्स फील दैट मैं तो पिछड़ रहा हूँ यार, ये लोग सब आगे निकल जा रहे हैं। सो आई हैव टू कीप अप विद देम। आई डू फील दैट it's nothing यार, it's just I'm just a regular disciplined guy, that's it. I think Kunal also would agree with me। वो करता है, तुम भी करते हो यार, सब लोग करते हैं, हम सब फिट हैं यार। just because मेरी उम्र हो गई है तो मैं मिसाल बन चुका हूँ ना।
spoken like a very humble gentleman, but you know, you've always been someone who just picks your roles very carefully. And a long time back also I remember वो आप ऐसे भेड़ चाल में नहीं जाते थे, and it's not always about the length of role, it's always about
कई बार गलत भी हुआ हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है कि हर बार सही।
but at least thought process कभी change नहीं हुई। You've always wanted to choose the right role, तो you know, easily drawn into this character, or what really got you into it?
Actually, see, in this season, they have this list of very strong villains in every story.
Yeah.
And the villains' characters have been written very well. बहुत clearly etched out characters से बहुत अच्छे से लिखा हुआ है। I think Chunky sir would agree, Ram Kapoor would agree, Raghav would agree. So मुझे जो मेरा character दिया गया है किरण डागर का, हरियाणवी cop, I thought it was extremely challenging। एक तो हरियाणवी में बोलना था, वो बड़ा challenging है, मैं हूँ बंगाली, और but I thought the character was brilliantly written, and it would be a very strong person to play opposite our strong hero Abhay. So that excited me a lot। Can't give out more।
I think also with the ensemble cast, like you said, इस season में actually बहुत सारे villains हैं। एक super villain भी हैं, हमारे राम कपूर साहब, जो बहुत जल्द, he likes to always make a grand entrance। He's going to be making a grand entrance very soon। Before I come to Ken sir, who's joined us, I like to call him sir, even though I've again known him for so long, because he's the real captain of the ship। Asha, good to see you in this as well। आप सबसे नई entrant आई हो, you're part of that entire team that is going to be out there cracking everything। I love seeing your different avatars as well, because there again, you also really pick and choose, and you don't want to just do a bubbly character, you don't want to just do a normal character। कुछ ऐसा उसमें कोई कीड़ा होना चाहिए character के लिए। That's what you always love doing, don't you?
Yes, I do. And in fact, since past few years, I have become a little choosy when it comes to, you know, choosing my projects. And बहुत हो गया था, like, you know, good girl, girl next door, अच्छी बेटी, अच्छी बहू, बहुत हो गया था। And I was like waiting कि, you know, कुछ तो आए अलग। And when I got this one, I didn't give it a second thought, and I was like, listen, अगर हो सकता है ना तो थोड़े बहुत stunts भी डाल देना। I'm dying to do all of that। वो तो नहीं हो पाया, of course, because she's a journalist। तो लेकिन this one is very different from what I've done before, and I'm really excited and really looking forward to see myself doing something different than what I have done before. And it's a more confident, a more opinionated character। Of course, this character also has a lot of layers in it, and yeah, people are going to see me they haven't really seen before, and I'm very excited।
You know, Kunal, do you feel like the granddaddy? आओ मेरे kingdom में आओ। Because Ken sir, hello Ken sir, how are you doing? He's put it on mute, so you have to come on.
हाँ, yes, now I can hear you।
Ken, you're going to make all of us get nausea।
So the both of you actually want to welcome the entire cast. We'll come to Kunal again first, but is there like that extra added responsibility on your shoulders as Abhay? And you will realize that there's now a reputation that the show is carrying. Earlier there was no reputation because you're setting it out.
Yeah, no, of course, but I'm saying I have all the ammunition that I could ask for in these wonderfully amazing actors that have kind of agreed, firstly, to kind of play these very, very interesting villains. And the crimes are also such that, you know, they always get even more interesting and intriguing because they're based on true crime. And there's always, I feel that, you know, truth is stranger than fiction in so many ways. And the way, and I've had the opportunity to work with some of them already, and the way they've kind of, you know, brought those characters to life, I'm super excited to kind of see how it kind of translates on screen.
Tell me about Mr. Ken Ghosh. The legendary Ken Ghosh is with you. You're all buddies. You all know each other so well. before I ask Ken sir about himself only, what's that collaboration? Is there a lot of talk
Ken
on
Ghosh-
set or is it no?
You know, Ken Ghosh is one of those जिनकी त्वचा से उनकी उम्र का पता ही नहीं चलता. And he और वो सबके साथ इतने घुल मिल जाते हैं. It's very easy to forget that he's a senior, not just. I'm not going to go so much into age,
Nee,
but
I said
even in
sir, na,
experience.
that's
Yeah,
Ken sir, yeah.
But
Ah,
Ken
sir.
Ken is one of those. He's that friend to all. Like you, he
Yeah.
has friends of all ages, and he's like an equal friend to everybody. And I think that's a great place to start with. Everybody knows that he's a great technician, and his understanding of. And I think I've always thought of Ken, like, you know, when it's like you think of these amazing music videos that he's done and Ishq Vishk and all very young, teeny poppery, candy flossy. And suddenly when I saw him on Abhay and I saw what he did, I was like, यार इसके दिमाग में कहीं पे criminal है, क्योंकि ये बड़ी अच्छी तरीके से ये story और shoot भी करता है, and he has those visuals which he's brought to Abhay, and Abhay has been taken to the next level because of Mr. Ken Ghosh himself.
Thank you, sir.
That dark devil deep down inside. The super villain devil also joins in. Ram Kapoor sir, how are you doing, Baba?
Hi, hello.
They're coming to you. I'm loving the white beard, but Ken sir, what's that deep under? Are you really like that? There is a part of you inside that is devilish. I've seen the devilish side of it so many times, but hey, as a director, really come out well with Abhay.
So I think I'm the director's version of Asha. Okay, I was fed up of doing sweet and romantic and, you know, lovey and glamorous, and it was fun to shoot, to actually put off all the lights and shoot with 2 tube lights and 1 bulb, and you know, no big lighting setup and no soft diffuse filters and no beautiful background music. Okay, whatever's there, just shoot in that. So
You know, you've got a very
that was a
strong
challenge and
cast.
the fun part of it.
You got a very strong cast, and you know, to somehow utilize that cast. Each one is possibly playing a side of theirs that the audience has not seen before. So they might not have seen them in this light. So there again, also that comes as a challenge for the director to bring that side and make it look very natural. And especially like say Chunky's character, sir, is so different from morning to night. You know, Raghav in real life also is very different, has an image, Asha herself. So that must have been a little challenging for you as well as a director.
So to be honest, as Kunal said, you know, half the job was done because the original characters were so weird and so interesting. That is one. 2 is obviously the casting call to cast these people, which was smart to approach this kind of a setup of people to do these kind of roles. And 3, of course, every actor himself and herself to actually say, okay, yes, this is what I want to do, which is different from what I'm normally doing, and you know, which will be interesting for us to watch, me to direct, and them to play.
I have to talk about Ram Kapoor's white beard. Whose decision was that?
That's Ram Kapoor's age. We had no choice in the matter.
What he meant is Ram Kapoor's rage in the show.
Rage.
So it sounded like Ram Kapoor's age.
Well, he's a super villain, and what I love is Ram Sir now with the white beard. I'm going to call you, even though I've known you for so long.
Salil, मैं तेरी फाइलें खोल दूंगा.
But your evil laughter is there. This is the kind of role that I know that you enjoy playing also. Not that you don't enjoy the other smiling roles as well. Again, here, this is a different avatar for you, but this is something that you really like doing. It pushes you. It pushes the stereotype that Ram Kapoor himself sometimes becomes. And this, I think, is fantastic for you as an actor, isn't it?
Yeah. This is something, you know, sometimes, every once in a while, you get projects that come to you where everything just seems right. It was one of them, yeah. It was, look at this cast, yeah. This is like a dream cast. Everybody's so good at what they do. Look at this director. I mean, it was, everything just fell in place. The role was so wacky, so out of the box. I think it took me like a couple of minutes to say, oh, yeah, I have to make time for this. This is one of those icing on the cake kind of projects. I'm so glad it came my way.
What are your experiences the world? I mean, I'm getting a lot of messages from the press that is watching in, guys. So just in case you all want to know, we're live on Facebook, live on YouTube. So a lot of the pressure is I'll shoot one or two questions first. Chunky sir, for you, of course, everyone very excited to see you from Espresso Magazine. Espresso Magazine, they want to know, A, working with Kunal, how is he? And B, how excited were you just to do this kind of a role and just be part of the OTT platform series, be associated with ZEE5, just stuff like that. We'd like to know.
Do we have
Chunky,
Chunky?
sir? I think we're facing the issue. Right. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, could you hear me?
Yeah, now we can. Now we can. The dreaded Wi-Fi is now becoming the big supervillain. No longer Ram Kapoor. It's now the Wi-Fi. From Espresso Magazine, we've got a big question. They said, how is it working? A, obviously on the project, but also your interaction with Kunal Khemu, because eventually we're going to see that there's going to be showdowns between you and him. So, your first impressions of Abhay Pratap Singh on the show.
Well, I've got a bone to pick with Kunal because he beats the shit out of me in the end. I've loved Kunal's work always, whether it's been on the big screen or the OTT. I loved the first Abhay season 1 when I'd seen it. And when I seen it, I just thought it was so much ahead of its time and so nice that I wish they made a second season and I could be a part of it. And I landed up a role in it. I'm there in the opening episode, and I think Ken and I go back a long way. Right? I think almost 20 years. We used to do, TV reality shows and stuff. But something like this with Ken, I really saw a very dark and disturbing side of Ken. When he created it, it was almost like David Fincher creating these characters. And he actually guided me through every scene and every shot and every expression. And I'm so glad he did that. Because if he left it to me, I'd do the same thing in every film or, scene. So,
Kunal, this deep, dark, different side of Ken, which the whole world is talking about, it actually, it manifests itself obviously as a director, but when you're also doing this, you're very much a director's actor. All the people that have worked with you have always said you're very malleable, you'll do what you want. I remember one of your ex-directors saying that you can mold Kunal any way you want. So are you somebody who's just following the path that has been laid out by Ken, or now also because you're very good with writing dialogues, you understand scripts so well, you understand aspects of filmmaking so well also, that there's a lot of contribution that you're putting in also, because in an OTT space, there's more time to sort of think about it. It's not just a 3-hour setup. So, just your experience about that, your and Ken's, collaboration.
So I'll jump in on that.
Yeah.
Definitely, yes. I mean, whatever that other director said, true to that.
Yeah.
But also, Kunal has graphed everything out in his head so well, and his command over the acting craft is there, but his command over filmmaking craft also, which is very important for, it's a pleasure for a director to see the actor knows his stuff in terms of how to shoot, how I'm going to shoot it, So, we would never be able to shoot the quality that we do at the speed that we do.
Yeah.
If it wasn't for actors, like all of them, obviously Kunal a lot more. And I remember there was one long chunk we shot between Kunal and Ram,
right,
where there are reams of pages after pages, and hats off to more to Ram there, because he just got it. So, again, coming back to all of them, especially also to Kunal, Ram, all of them, the command over the craft of acting and the craft of filmmaking is really strong, and that helps.
Actually, Ram, for sure, as far as his lines are concerned, having aced television for so many years, he's one of those ones. Let's just go by the pages, Yeah, page 18, line number 7. Let me just say it to you. Right. But, okay, we got a question from Web Dunia. It says, Ram, Kunal, Raghav, Asha, all fabulous dancers. Okay. How does it direct?
Excuse me, so am I.
Exactly.
And of course. So
I know I started my career as a dancer, yeah.
Agreed, sir. So that's why you're there. There's
Yes.
this dark setup that is there. So is there a different film being shot in between the takes? Let's put it that way. So who would like to take the thing on that? Who's like the big? Who's the biggest?
Asha
Asha?
dances in every scene.
Really?
No, nothing like that. Yeah, can't shut up.
But otherwise, yeah. Is this a very dark mahal on the set also? Because
यार एक्चुअली
वो
अगर
जब
मैं
बात
करने
करता है,
लगूंगा,
तो-
अगर मैं अपने स्टाइल से डांसिंग स्टाइल से करने लगूंगा ऐसी शूट, तो क्या होगा, फिर बहुत स्लो मोशन हो जाएगी फिल्म। फिर क्या
Oh.
है, तीसरा चौथा राम सर प्रणाम।
लव यू माय डार्लिंग।
लव यू सर, लव यू। आपको
पिछली बार जब मैंने राघव को देखा, मैं उसको घसीट रहा था खेत के बीच में, याद है?
अच्छा राम, ये
और हम
क्वेश्चन आपके लिए भी आया है।
हाँ जी।
नेगेटिव रोल में a lot of the reporters have not seen too much of you. Is it difficult at all for you to play this?
It's fun. See, I think the director is the one who will be able to say how well I am doing it or not doing it, and of course, the ultimate judge is the audience.
Audience.
I just when I do something, I just do it with my sensibilities. Some things work, some things don't work. Now, I'm approaching this exactly the same way I would approach any of my other normal roles. Whether it is accepted, whether the audience thinks, hey, this guy did well in this role, is something that only time can tell. Because honestly, in no project can I suss out, am I at what level am I or whatever. I go blank when it comes to these things.
You know, Indrajit, I think web series have provided this great opportunity for actors to really explore themselves. जल्दबाजी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, you know. You have space to build up characters. A lot of characters, like in your show also, will not come in the first few episodes. They'll come later. Still, there's enough space. So has that made actors feel a lot more secure, do you think, because of web series?
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. So yeah, I think the web space has definitely offered us a platform where we can look forward to things we like to do. I always feel an actor feels accomplished the day he gets to do what he likes to watch.
Yeah.
Okay, so we watch a certain kind of product on screen and we love it, but the sad part was we are not getting to do it. So there is a great amount of disappointment there. We come home, watch something superb, go the next day and shoot for something which is not that satisfying, and you feel so like not getting a fair deal out of life.
Yeah.
So web space has offered you that platform where you are getting to do things which you are excited about. You look forward to going and shooting. There are different characters you get to play. You want to see yourself as a different person. You are tired of doing one and the same thing. So yeah, I think it's a great space right now. But at the same time, I also feel extremely threatened looking at the kind of actors they're getting these days. Yeah, the youngsters, they are like, my God, I haven't seen them before, and they're so brilliant. You need to be on your toes to be relevant, I guess.
I think I'd like to add on to this. What Indraneel is saying, see, actors like Indraneel and myself and a lot of actors who did a lot of television, we felt kind of cliche, if you know what I mean. Things were very cliched for us. There was a very set, defined space for an actor like Indraneel or an actor like me, and it was almost impossible to break it. With the space, there is everybody's taking risks. There is no boundaries. You can really experiment. You can have a blast. So for people like Indraneel, people like myself, we don't have to worry about being typecast or our audience, so to speak. It's wide open and you can have as much fun as you possibly want, which is awesome.
Yeah,
true.
You know, Kunal, when did you think that you were doing it right? You know, there must be, you have a circle of friends that, start to say, this web space, you've really cracked. You cracked it in the first season also. But, you've always been somebody who chooses his projects very carefully. So, after season 1, was there really one or two people that suddenly came out and said, when they start to compliment your work and say that, brother, you're really working for this kind of medium and this avatar of yours is really working. So when did that happen to you, or, some nearby close friends of yours start to notice that about you?
I think more than friends, I think the validation always comes from the audiences. That is what makes you know what you're doing is right or wrong. I think the OTT space has also given an opportunity to everybody else to have slightly bigger balls and kind of say that, okay, we're gonna do this, right? Yeah, I mean, and it goes for everybody. I mean, it's a risk that you want to take. People want to. I don't know, they will not do it or not. Like Ram said, it's very easy in the film space to become stereotypical, because if something has worked, then nobody wants to change that. I'm saying it's this space where I've gotten opportunity to work with all these amazing actors that wouldn't have been thought of in the roles that we are like talking about, or somebody as interesting as Raghav. I think he's a brilliant actor, but he would always be seen as a dancer or a fun guy. But I'm saying here is a show that's taken Chunky Sir, who like everybody will like remember for comic roles, or even Ram, who's always had this good boy image, or me, even Abhay se pehle, my whole image was of just doing comedies. Everybody had forgotten Kalyug and Traffic Signal. But it just gives us an opportunity to come and do this. And the fact that this has gone into season 2 means there is a validation from the audiences. It does not matter. My friends will still like my work. Somebody may say it is good or bad, but that is not going to be as important as somebody who's actually going to invest in this show again and try to do it again. So the validation always comes from the audiences.
Asha, you've also done enough TV and very popular. Sometimes what happens is your social media following, the popularity of yours really goes up, and you've always been a very, very popular person. A lot of the times, people will gauge your popularity, or you'll have to equate your popularity with the kind of role that you're choosing. Is it the biggest lead role? Is it opposite the hero? Is it all that? Do those kind of questions even now come in, that so many platforms are available and the mediums that are available for an actress like you, who's a very big bona fide star on television, and you're breaking away and getting some distance between yourself and television and then doing an OTT platform show?
Sahil, I feel web has become like this beautiful bridge between films and television. And when I realized that, I need to get out of my comfort zone, I need to do something different, something which challenges my inner actor, and, not something which I am used to doing. That's when I decided that if I'm doing web, I will have to be comfortable, or I will have to be, open to options. Like I can't keep doing leads just for the sake of, being the main face of the show. The limelight. But yes, when I got Abhay, it was a challenging character, and I just wanted the character to be significant, something to perform and something to challenge my inner actor. So I think that's what I had in mind, and that's what I thought before taking up the project. And I am not very finicky about just being the face of the show, or being the main lead of the show. I am okay doing characters which are probably not the main face, but which have something significant to do in the project. So I think that's how I am going to go further as well.
Is that the biggest change that you've seen with the actors now? That they're good with doing what is a good role rather than the length of role. As a director, you've seen so many generations of actors actually come and grow, and where they've always believed that, sir, mere minutes kitne hai? Mere scenes mein pages kitne hai? I know that actors have done that with you. Have you seen this biggest change?
Yeah. No, that's definitely. So I feel because with OTT coming on, like, you're getting to see international shows, international films, a lot more of international work. So what's happening is not only actors, even directors, writers are understanding that they can write and create, and actors can impact, okay, and have a huge impact and still stand out, and still at the end of the day, go back home satisfied that you've done good.
Raghav, सबसे बड़ा change I think will come with you and your fans. जब ये अवतार में देखेंगे,
बिल्कुल
excited हो जाते होंगे यार. एक तो राघव कुछ साल पहले कहाँ था और अब इतना बड़ा स्टार बन गया और इतनी बड़ी एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन कर रहा है. You are one of those people जिसने actually दोनों मीडियम्स को अपने स्टारडम को प्लस एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन बहुत इजीली बैलेंस करने की भी कोशिश की है. ये बैलेंस कई बार बड़ा मुश्किल आता है, जैसे आशा ने भी कहा था, like she said that
किसको स्टारडम को और
स्टारडम को और एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन को बैलेंस करना,
एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन, हाँ
बहुत
हाँ,
मुश्किल होता है
नेटवर्क
because
नेटवर्क, हाँ
स्टारडम एक ऐसा ड्रग है जो नॉन स्टॉप उसी को सेम सेम करते 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 ऐसे माउंट एवरेस्ट पर चढ़ जाते हो। तो कई बार ये डर लगता है कि अगर मैंने बहुत ज्यादा उल्टा कर दिया, आई माइट लूज दैट राघव दैट द वर्ल्ड लव्स। ऐसा कभी थॉट आया?
यार बहुत, ये बिल्कुल आपने बोला वो जो माउंटेन वाली बात बोली, स्टारडम की, फेम की, लेकिन क्या हो गया ना आजकल जमाना ना भाई बिल्कुल टिकटॉक वाला हो गया। 15 सेकंड में स्टार बन जाओ, 15 सेकंड में तुम फेम आ जाए, 15 सेकंड में तुम्हारे शोज हो गए, 15 सेकंड में तुम पूरे दुनिया के सुपरस्टार हो। तो ये है कि अभी वो मेरे को कुछ एज के बाद अभी रियलाइज हो गई कि भाई इसमें कुछ नहीं रखा भाई। अभी क्या है, अपने गांव जाना है वापस, काम वाम करके, मम्मी पापा वहीं पर है, सब लोग वहीं पर है, 10,000 चीजें। तो ये क्या है, तुम अगर मिट्टी से जुड़े रहते हो तो ये भूल जाते हो फिर तुम ये चीजें। अब फिर बी ऑनेस्ट योर आर्ट, अपनी जो कला है उसमें काम करते रहो। फेंक का क्या है बाबा, ये तो जैसी सुपारी है, आज मेरी तो भाई घुल जाएगी मुंह में कभी भी, तो वो बात है। तो ये मुझे लगता है, बट आई एम नॉट स्केर्ड, आई एम फियरलेस एंड आई टेक रिस्क, और मैं रिस्क लेना बहुत पसंद करता हूँ। वो आशा और मेरे गुरुजी हैं जो सौरभ सचदेवा, वो भी बोलते हैं कि टेक रिस्क, चाहे इमोशनल रिस्क हो, फिजिकल रिस्क हो, चाहे सोशल रिस्क हो, टेक रिस्क। तो मैं रिस्क लेने में बहुत एक्सपर्ट हूँ और मैं घुस जाता हूँ।
स्टाइल।
हालांकि लास्ट टाइम राम सर ने मुझे खेत में बहुत घसीटा है, तो अभी तक मेरे बाल छोड़ हो रहा है।
That was a good shot. That was a great shot.
बम पैड लगाने चाहिए थे। कैंसर आपने बम पैड नहीं दिए इसको?
नहीं,
वो दूसरा
कैंसर ने नहीं
प्रोजेक्ट,
कराया।
वो ये प्रोजेक्ट नहीं था, वो ये प्रोजेक्ट नहीं था। That was a different film.
अच्छा, different film.
But Salil, you need to ask Asha Negi, the big star Asha Negi, if I should talk about her first experience of working with me.
I have been only talking about you in all my interviews, I swear.
Yeah, Salil, you have to know, this girl has become such a big star, such a big name.
Yeah.
But the first time when I worked with her, which is some, I don't know, 8 years, I don't know how many
8
years
years back. 8 years back.
she was so nervous that when it came time for her close-up opposite me, she requested the director to tell me to leave. I had to go to my makeup room because she couldn't say it in front of me. Or I couldn't believe it. And the director told me, "Bhai, aap jao, nahi to wo nahi karegi." I had to sit in my makeup room till Asha finished. And now when I see this Asha and I see her work, two different people, she is so amazing. I can't believe it's the same girl who was that nervous.
Acha, guys, I am passing, just for the record, I am passing an Abhay hoarding, if you can see, on the highway.
Where is this? किधर है ये?
This is
जानबूझ के गाड़ी में हो ना,
on the Western Express Highway.
ये
I'm going
नजारा दे
back and forth on the same hoarding, passing and coming back U-turn.
Vidita, thank you so much for joining के लिए.
No, but I also saw.
Hi.
Thank you. Finally मुझे ये लिंक मिला, मुझे थोड़ा नेटवर्क मिला, so I'm joining now.
नहीं, don't worry, नेटवर्क के इशू पूरे भारत और पूरी दुनिया में है.
मैं मुंबई में नहीं हूँ, अभी सतारा में हूँ.
But मैं बड़ा excited था, वो ट्रेलर में भी आपका, as usual, you know, you are such a fantastic class actress. मैं सबसे ही बात कर रहा था, सब लोग अपने comfort zone के बाहर आके performances दे रहे हैं अभय में, you know. All of the performers, you know, I think सिर्फ comfort zone के अंदर थे कुणाल खेमू, क्योंकि उनके लिए वो तजुर्बे वाली बात थी, already एक बारी कर चुके हैं ना, तो easy था उनके लिए. But I think for someone like you, this is also beautiful to see because you are somebody I have always seen very little of, and you should be seen a lot more of. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये शायद वो मौका हो सकता है कि सबके साथ काम करके कैसा लगा, कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करना जरूर बताएं.
हाँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मेरा इन सबके साथ स्क्रीन स्पेस उतना नहीं है. मैं कुणाल जी के साथ मेरा एक ही सीन है और बाकी सबको मैं ट्रेलर में ही देख रही हूँ. बट मेरा अलग ही जोन था. हाय आशा, मेरा अलग ही जोन था. मैं जितने भी पुराने लोकेशंस है ना, कोई फैक्ट्री जो बंद पड़ा है, वहां जाके मैं किसी को मार डालती हूँ, काट डालती हूँ, कत्ल कर देती हूँ, ऐसा वाला है मामला मेरा. तो
नहीं, आपने बड़े एंजॉय भी किया जिस तरह एक्चुअली यहाँ पे ना, जो सारे अंदर की जो हैवान था ना हर किसी का, सबको मौका मिला बाहर उसको निकालने के लिए. आई थिंक ये थेरेपी टाइप, दिस शो इज लाइक थेरेपी फॉर लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स. सारे एक्टर्स. तो दिस इज आल्सो ग्रेट. इट वर्क्स फॉर यू आल्सो. कैन गो सर के साथ ऑब्वियसली मैक्सिमम इंटरेक्शन रहा होगा, क्योंकि इनकी इमेज बहुत अलग है, जिस तरह वो सिनेमा भी करते हैं, जिस तरह उनका वो भी है. ऐसे सीक्वेंसेस में आप सरप्राइज थे कि कैन सर इतनी आसानी से he's slipped into this zone of his, this devilish director zone?
It's because of the director, he helped me. मतलब शुरू में मुझे लग नहीं रहा था कि मैं ये कर पाऊंगी, बहुत ही डार्क है, कैसे करूंगी, but he guided me and स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी थी. जो मेरे को-एक्टर्स थे, मरने के लिए वो लोग तैयार थे. उन लोगों ने कहा आप जैसे भी चाहे मारो मैम, हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप हमें तड़पा के मारो. तो ठीक है, मार दिया मैंने. बोल रहे थे, they were asking for it. बट बहुत मजा आया, सारा फ्रस्ट्रेशन मैंने निकाल लिया.
चंकी सर, आई गॉट अ क्वेश्चन. साहो में भी बैड ट्विस्टेड कैरेक्टर, फिल्मी बीट, एक बार फिर से ट्विस्टेड कैरेक्टर. क्या यही टाइप के हाइलाइटेड कैरेक्टर्स करने हैं आपको? सबका ये पूछना है, यही टाइप. अब
मेरे अगले शो में मेरा डबल रोल है और दो विलेन कर रहा हूँ. उसका नाम है कोविड एंड कोरोना.
That's great to see that. I think everyone's got what they wanted in this. Ken sir looks happy. Sir, I have to ask you one last question. Who was the most surprising performance by? जिसमें आपको कोई उम्मीद नहीं थी कि वाओ इतना कमाल का परफॉर्मेंस दे देंगे, and they really surprised you. You're on
I
the
think Ken himself.
Choose one name. You have to.
No, honestly, I swear, I'm not surprised because when I came to know that finally that okay, this is the cast. I think almost everybody I know, the ones I know, I was not surprised because I knew they at the end of the day they're all very good actors. So for me it wasn't a surprise. For me it was क्या बोलते हैं इसको, when you feel के चलो what you felt was correct, is right, has been proven right.
Yeah.
The surprise will be for the audiences.
Okay, wonderful. Before I wrap up, guys, remember Abhay 2 premieres tomorrow on Z5. Now, this is the most important part. I want everyone to smile. Smile, Ram and everyone. We're going to take a screenshot, right? So Kunal has it easy. Everyone smile, come into the best light that you can. Raghav's got the perfect pose, right? We smile, and on the count of 3, 2, 1. And that's a screenshot that we don't know was taken, but I think it has been taken.
Hopefully.
Yes, it has been taken.
यार
Guys,
सब लोग
download,
जनता
subscribe,
पूछती
watch
एक मिनट
season 1 tonight if you can. Thank you so much for joining me. It was awesome and so good to see all of you all. I hate doing...
राघव कुछ कह रहा है सली लाइक
एक चीज कहते मैं पॉज हो गया. मैं सब लोग पूछते हैं कि मैं दिख नहीं रहा हूँ. एक्चुअली लॉकडाउन हो गया था. अब मेरे एपिसोड शूट होंगे, तो जब शूट होंगे तो आप मुझे देखोगे.
उनका ट्रेलर बकायदा आएगा. ये अभी पहले
मैं ट्रेलर में हूँ, आपने देखा नहीं मुझे. तो शुरुआत में पैर चल के जा रहे हैं, वो पैर में.
अच्छा guys, remember tomorrow 3 episodes premiere, the rest of it in September. Thank you so much. It's always tough to get so many big faces in one round, but really good to see you guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, you guys.
See you guys. Bye.
कैसे भाई इसका वो कहा है निकलने वाला.
राघव भाई बोलो.
बाय.